How to make a new Discord account. Hey guys, and let's get started. Today we will see how to create a brand new Discord account. Whether you are new to Discord or just need a fresh start, I have got you covered. First of all, start by downloading and installing the Discord on your Android. For that, simply go to Play Store and tap on the search icon which is on the bottom right. Then after tap on Discord and make sure to click on the install button. If it's already installed, also make sure to update it to the latest version. If you are using it on desktop, you can head over to discord.com and click on download for Windows. After that, you can just open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch the Discord application on your device. Then you'll land to this homepage, tap on register. You can either use your phone number or your email address. Make sure that you have a verified email address that you own or the phone number. Once you have given your phone number, it will send a verification code to the phone number or the email. And once verified, you will have to now solve the CAPTCHA. Once you have solved both of the CAPTCHA, you will land to next page whereby your account is now verified with the phone number and you can start up in the next process. The next process includes selecting a username and the password. Make sure that you choose a unique display name that will be accepted. You can also use special characters and emojis if you want. Then after tap on next and choose a strong password. And then tap on next again. Then after choose a date of birth and then click on confirm. And just by that, you have created a new account for your Discord. You can now change the avatars, add friends, and use your server. So this is all for today's video. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment below. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.